Yo, what's up, miners? Anybody mining out there? Yeah. Well, we brought a component, right? It's called an L5 vetro. Yeah. It's a vetro CPU cooler, right? Now, it's a white cooler, right? It's for AMD. Right. It's got a 5-pin, right? I'm just going to show you the box and that because, you know, these are cheap. Yeah, you can get these for like £26. I think they cost, alright? You got 5 copper pipes, a PWM smart fan control, a 5-pin 3-sync interface, right? So, you know, that's an RBG fan. RGB? Yeah? RBG fan? a vetro. Yeah, so this is a vetro cooler, right? Now, what does it say here? Right. So I imported this from China, right? So, these are the sockets that it fits, yeah? Intel 11511150, so that's not bad, because I have actually an Intel socket that maybe I could probably use one of these on. But, yeah, I don't really need to, but, you know, here's one that I can use it on, right, and it does fit AM4, which is the socket that we're going to be using it for. So, we're going to be using this on a 5600X AMD CPU, yeah? Now, an AMD 600 GPU is rated at 65 watts of power, yeah? And this says on the specification, yeah? The recommended TDP is 150 watts, yeah? So, obviously, I'm going to use this on a cooler that's 65 watts, yeah? Under max load, yeah? So, you know, this is very good. In theory, yeah, it would be a very good cooler for what I want it for, yeah? Because basically, we're going to be mining with a 5600X, yeah? So, this is the cooler that we brought. Obviously, I've not tested it yet, and I've not put it on the miner, yeah, like, because I want to see if it fits under, like, one of the mining frames. So, it shouldn't be as big. It should fit under the mining frame, is what I'm thinking it should. It should. But, obviously, when I build it this week, yeah, I will do a video. Might be a bit difficult, like, I'll probably have to do the video, like, halfway through, because I don't edit stuff and whatever. So, we're going to open the box, yeah, I'm just going to show you what it is. Alright, so for anyone who's, like, looking maybe for a cooler, like, if you're looking to buy one of these, I'll post eBay link below. Now, if you do buy one, I'll get, like, 1% kickback from whatever, you know, you buy, yeah? But, you know, that helps me out to make videos, yeah? Right, so I'm just going to show you it, yeah? It's supposed to be low profile, that's what we actually intended it for. Now, this is the cooler, right? It feels quite good quality, to be honest, right? And there, obviously, is the copper underneath, yeah? Now, it could be better if it was, like, the copper was all the way along, but you could probably fix that with a 50mm. Ah, yeah, you could probably buy a 50mm off eBay, 1mm thick, and then add that on so it was a full copper contact all the way through. But you kind of don't, I mean, for people that are like enthusiasts and stuff, you know, it's a pretty good fan. It's got rubber mounts on, so you know it's a quality fan, yeah. Vetro. These remind me of the ID cooling fans a little bit, right? So obviously you've got your power strands, right? You've got your RGB, yeah. Your 5-volt pin, yeah, which obviously I'm going to be using this on a Steel Legend B450 motherboard. And you've got your 4-pin PWM fan, yeah, PWM. I don't like them 3-pin fans. I think they're absolutely horrid. I am a fan of the 4 pins, right? So that's the cooler, right? As you can see, it's not very big, right? You know, and it's in a white. You know, I like the white parts. They look pretty sick, yeah, when they're lit up with the RGB and that, yeah. So that was in the box, right? You do get some thermal paste with it, but the thermal paste that you get is a tiny little tube. Looks like a little syringe. That is actually out of the box when I looked at it outside, downstairs, yeah. So before recording to come to the main PC, yeah. And obviously these are the brackets you get, yeah. So one's going to be for AMD and one's going to be for Intel, right? So these are your brackets, right? This is a short video, right? And then you get like a good old spanner, right? And then what are these? I don't know what they're for, but you get screws. There's your mounts, yeah, and then some bolts, right? So here's your instruction book, right? So this is an L5 CPU cooler, right? And then you get your instruction manual on how to set it up for whatever socket you're using, right? That's what you need your spanner for, the back of the board. Oh, please Intel bracket on the cooler base, then use the bracket screws to fix it. So we shouldn't need that with the AMD one. Yeah, shouldn't need that with the AMD one. We'll see. Hold on. Right, chapter 2. Might be on the back. Right, AMD installation, yeah? Do we need the back screws? Right. Oh yeah, we do need the back screws. Step 9. So as you can see, you put your RGB, yeah, header, right, and then your CPU fan. So that's how that will look on my motherboard, right? So there are your instructions. Now, obviously, this is a cooler rated for 150 watts, so it should do the job what I want it for, because I'm going to be mining like Raptorium, or I don't know, my Monero, depending on the profitability. You know, get a bit of Bitcoin. A bit of BTC, yeah. Get a bit of BTC, but hopefully, yeah, it fits under the miner bracket. You know, like the miners, they have their mining brackets, don't they? That come across the bar, and then the GPUs fit on top. So hopefully, it fits underneath, yeah. If it fits underneath, I'll be buzzing, yeah. But if it doesn't, I have another computer that I can put it on, right, which it will be like main standing, yeah, in another system. So I wanted to just make this video, yeah, to show you this. If there's anyone out there that might be looking for like kind of a low profile cooler, something not insanely expensive, this thing's only like 20 quid, yeah. I think, mate, I'll have to check the price again. I think it was about £20. I mean, I ordered mine from China, it took less than a week to get here, so yeah. Obviously I'll do some like part buying and stuff, you know, like videos, and then I'll be like, yo, got it on the miner, bro. Whip. I'm looking for some GPUs right now. I'm looking for some 66 cards. Well, it's getting rather difficult to buy some 66 cards. It looks like I'm gonna go have to overpay, yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time when we maybe have set this up, yeah. My videos are very inconsistent, but bear with me, yeah. I'm a busy person. Yeah, well, I'm not a busy person because that's a fictitious word, right? That's a fictitious word. I'm a busy man, yeah? Right, peace.